Hello, darlings. Not sure what to call this eye look, but I saw this one time and decided to recreate it from memory because, well, I couldn't search it. To see how I created, let's call it bell curved liner. Let's get into it.
Yes, ma.
What's up? Okay, so this is my second time using Eco Styler gel on my brows, and I love it. This time I tried using the gel before I draw on my brows. Slick my brows down first. Then I go in with brow pomade as a base to add color. Then black liner to make hair-like strokes. Here's the turnout. Here I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon to create a base for the eyeshadow. I'm going for a natural lid color look. I just want to brighten my lid. I normally don't, but I set my concealer with my face powder because I want my lid to match my skin tone. Powder. Using my new fave 3-in-1 Jason Woo as a crease shade. Using this brown shimmer shadow from the LA Colors new palette. I want to keep the shadow shade close to my skin tone so the liner looks like it's just on my eyelid. The shimmer isn't too glittery, so it adds shine and dimension without sparkle. See how close to my skin tone the shadow is? See the glimmer? So start off by doing a simple wing liner look. I draw the wing first, then I connect the wing to the corner of my inner eye by drawing a thin line on the base of my lashes from the wing to the corner of my inner eye. I cannot stress this enough. The quality of the liner is key to making this easy and effort. Okay guys, pay close attention. I'm gonna zoom you in. So all you have to do is just swoop, and then you're done. Did you guys get that? I'm just playing, guys. Here's a better clip. I'll even show you how to clean up the liner if you mess up. So, to achieve the bell swoop, start at the inner corner of your eye by drawing the liner in one movement. Do not lift up the liner until you reach the end of the outer corner of your eye. I made a big mistake by lifting it up. If the tip of the liner is dry, just use the body, the fat part of the liner, to go over the parts where the liner jumped and skipped. This is why I say the liner is key. This liner jumped and skipped and was dry and all around just a no. I would not recommend this Wet n Wild skinny tip liner for this look. You can see where I made the inner corner of the liner look too wide. We'll clean that up. I use a Q-tip with micellar water to clean up the inner corner. I'm careful to not clean up the whole thing, just the part on the lid that's too far out. Here I am just going over the liner again, going over the part that the liner jumped or skipped. Now I'm wondering if I should have stretched out my lid when I drew the liner. Maybe next time. Now I'm using this pencil brush from Shop Miss A to add concealer and shadow to the part that we cleaned up. I go in with the concealer first. I don't bother to add powder. Then I go in with the shadow on top of the concealer. Add more depth to the liner at the base of my lashes. I go over the base with the liner. I actually love doing this instead of drawing liner. I may have to do a quick reels to show you what I mean. Follow me on Insta at @thefaceofebony_ to keep up with me. Here is the liner look. It's giving Y equals Mx+B. Before I apply foundation, I always conceal my face first with a shade that matches my foundation. This time I'm using the Fenty concealer in 490. To highlight under my eyes, I use the e.l.f. concealer in Rich Chocolate in both the hydrating and matte formula. I have no idea why. One is darker than the other. Maybe that's why. This time I decided to use just a brush for this look because I want more coverage. Taking it to my temple for a high cheekbone look. To highlight the rest of my face, I just use the hydrating formula. And for foundation, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade F15. I like it. It's cool. Here is the finished look. For under my eyes, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. It's okay. It's cool. For my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 40, Dark. This is a much lighter shade than the Fenty powder in Coffee. This is a good powder. Using the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Setting Spray, then I pat it in using a makeup sponge. Now I'm just adding IT Cosmetics mascara to my lashes. Got it as a sample a long time ago. It's great. Would recommend. Then I'm using a generic black liner to line my lower lashes. Slow-mo time. For lipstick, I use a cheap Black Radiance nude lipstick. For highlighter, I'm using the Fenty Match Stick in Cinnamon. Then I outline my lips with a liquid lipstick from Milani Amore Matte in the shade Covet. I love this line of lipsticks. Then I add more of that nude shade. What do you think of this look? Do you know the official name of this liner look? If not, what would you call it? Thanks for watching. Have a darling day.